there will be a lot of adjustments that you need to make. You need to have a plan A, a plan B, a plan C. Because your lives, you do not control your lives. Your lives is under a magnificent God. He will put you where He wants to be in His time and in His will.
Ang pandesal, paborito ko, hindi siya hindi siya ordinaryong palaman. Ang pinaka-paborito ko na palaman is yung cheese whiz, tapos yung daing, bulad sa Bisaya. Yung daing, boneless na siya, tinatanggal ko siya sa mga buto, tapos nilalagay ko siya doon sa loob. So, yun yung pinaka-paborito ko na palaman sa pandesal, cheese whiz tsaka bulad or daing.
What is your reaction to the statement of Senator Lacson saying that the worst thing that could happen to Senator Bato is to be brought to the custody of the ICC as a sitting senator?
Sa tingin ko lang sa lahat ng tao, sa buhay ng isang tao, the worst thing that could happen is magkasakit at mamatay. Kapag wala kang sakit at hindi ka namatay, at buhay na buhay ka pa, kahit nasa loob ka man ng kulungan o nasa labas ka ng kulungan, okay na yun. Kasi hindi lahat ng tao binibigyan ng 70 years, ng 75 years, ng 80 years ng Diyos. Yung iba, lumabas lang, bumili ng itlog, hindi na nakabalik sa pamilya nila. So, yan na yung pinaka-worst na mangyari sa isang tao. Kung magkasakit ka, na maubos ang pera ng pamilya sa pagpapagamot sa iyo. O mamatay ka, na maiwanan mo yung mga mahal mo sa iyo.
Maraming salamat po, VP Inday. Mabuhay po kayo.
Wow, tapos na. Bilis.
Is the good Vice President familiar with the public Wi-Fi program?
Madam Chair, yes, it is under the admin. That's not time out. Madam Chair, Yusek Mempin will answer the question. She may not like my answer. She may not like how I answer. She may not like the content of my answer. But I am answering. And thank you for recognizing my intelligence.